Okay. I beg to mention item number looks 15.
Item
15.15%.
1.5.
So I was supposed to bring instruction. So the status of the process to sanction new post. I'm yet to receive the instruction. So better maybe listen next week post.
Who is for the petitioner?
Petitioner Lord.
Appellant. You have informed.
Lordship, here will be appearing in proof BC.
Today.
Yes.
Already wait for the matters to be followed.
Item number 1.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Yesterday, I can listen.
No, what has happened is we had appointed the LSEs.
Yes, sir.
But then later on we found that there is a list of amicus.
Yes, sir.
So I think we should appoint.
Your Lordship, here, Your Lordship, in this matter, there are POCSO cases are also there, Your Lordship.
Right.
So later on, Your Lordship, if victim doesn't turn up, Your Lordship, then on such occasion, Your Lordship, the amicus may be appointed to represent the victim. But this all the cases has been, Your Lordship, come through, Your Lordship, legal aid or state legal aid council authority for the petitioner, Your Lordship, who has been convicted. And now, Your Lordship, the difficulty here is, Your Lordship, they have not.
So these are all jail appeals.
Yes, Your Lordship. Through legal aid council, Your Lordship. Legal service authority.
Because as per the judgment of Anoki Lal, we have to appoint amicus curiae.
Yes, Lordship. The Anoki Lal case, Your Lordship, I have the judgment, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, in para 22, Your Lordship, it says, Your Lordship, the advocate who is to be appointed at amicus or through legal aid council, either, Your Lordship, from as an amicus or through legal aid council, must have at least 10 years of practice, where sentence is for 10 years and above, Your Lordship, or for life death, Your Lordship. So that is the, Your Lordship, ratio.
Is there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you are suggesting that it should be a legal aid council.
Legal aid should be your court convict person, and later on, Your Lordship, if this court find it necessary, then amicus may be appointed. Because, Your Lordship, they have not filed proper application also, which need to be corrected by the legal aid council, madam.
You'll have to prepare the memo.
Yes, absolutely, yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, then we'll appoint the councils.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Legal aid councils. You just indicate the matters which are similar matters.
Yes, okay.
The writing of this item 1.
Item 1 is separate, my lord,
Then?
the POCSO matter, and item 4 is separate.
Right.
Item 5 and 6 similar matter.
5 and 6.
Item 7 to 9 is similar matter.
Yes.
Item 10 is different matter.
Yes.
11 is separate matter. 12 separate, my lord.
Yes.
13 separate, and 14 separate.
All right. We pass orders.
Yes, Your Lord. Yes, deeply obliged.
Yes.
Item number 2 and 3. Seniority, council is in BC.
Is he in DC? Don't see him. DC. DC connected. It's not connected. Yes. Done it. Advocate General for the state of Vermont. It's the right. Assisted by Mr. Submits that the joiner affidavit by the appellant is filed yesterday. Submits that some guy right himself.
I praise the Lord, my Lord. We are on the line, madam. My lord, I am appearing on my lord on behalf of the appellant in connection with item number 2 and 3. They filed affidavit in connection.
You are there, but we can't see you.
Oh, my lord, sorry. My lord. Link is
You are
there.
Mr. You are Mr.
Application.
Purkaister.
My lord. So, my lord, they have
Yes.
filed affidavit. They filed affidavit in connection with my lord, item number 3. And they didn't file affidavit in connection with item number 4. Or 2, item number 3. Therefore, my lord, let them clarify whether they are going to file affidavit in connection with item number 3. If not, my lord, that affidavit may cover both the table because it is analogous matter out of
He,
common judgment.
he says one affidavit is good enough.
My lord, my lord, should kindly make an observation then. It is a
Yes.
common judgment out of common judgment, my lord, both the table are filed.
All right. How much time did you prepare?
On 22nd, Lord, may fix the matter, my lord. September.
Can it be 24th itself?
24th.
22,
24th.
my lord, my lord.
No, 24th.
My lord, I prefer my lord 22.
But we'll keep it on 22nd. And if you it is
Fine.
inconvenient to make alternative Mr.
Otherwise-
Chaudhary prays for 2 weeks' time to complete his instructions. He further submits that the affidavit filed in item number 2. Where did
Item
you
number
file it? Item
And we have also filed our reply, my lord.
cover. We cover the issues raised in item number 3. Accordingly, the matter stands referred to be listed on 22nd of September.
Fine.
Yes.
Item number 15.
My lord, item number 15, my lord. Comment advocate was, my lord, directed to obtain instruction whether there is any post in existence, my lord, at Longding, my lord, treasury office. Because our whole case is that transfer was made against a non-existing post. And that was the finding of the court. Court, my lord,
Where is Mr.
honorable
Tapi?
senior was
Here.
whether they
Where
have
is
been
Mr. Tapi? Some instructions were sought for. Can we keep it after 1 week?
my lord,
Can you
on
come up?
24th, my lord, I am
22nd.
coming on
22nd.
my lord.
24th of
24th of September.
22nd. 22.
Or 22, my lord, then it's on the same day.
the instructions sought for. Instruction required. Right. Just again, 22nd. Second.
Item number 16.
Yes.
I got instruction, but after discussion,
In a writ appeal affidavit.
it's not necessary also.
Ah.
Since there were some instruction, I thought I fine, but since there is some contradiction, we are not fine. So this letter may be taken up. I have no issue.
Okay. Yes.
Also, I got the impression of receiving the affidavit. Can it be fixed for admission here?
So this matter is actually directed to be placed before this bench.
Yes.
We'll keep it as and when this bench is available next. Council.
Item number 17.
Speaks. In this condition, that it will not possible to complete today your notes. And next basis, you are not getting next, next day. So next day.
When do you want it?
Not happening. September.
But some- Let's go.
Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention an unlisted matter to be taken up for motion today.
Unlisted. Why?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the urgency?
There's a council, senior council has come all the way from Delhi for motion.
Right?
Right. All right.
I'm so glad.
I beg to mention item number 3 on behalf of El Permillo.
Item number 3
3, yes,
on behalf of
El Permillo.
who's for the
There's something.
any objections?
They are here.
Council on behalf of the standing council power.
Yes,
Submits that further time be granted to file affidavit.
yes, ma'am.
Praise for the stay. Mr. Santam, Eric Santam, if you're able to submit a lot of they have made list after 3 weeks.
The date will be fixed also. Can it be on 12th of September?
Have it on 24th September.
May I pray for 12th, Lordship? May I pray for 12th? As agreed to by all the parties.
Matter may be fixed on 22 of this September, 22, yes, all right.
Let it be on 12th.
22nd.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
Mention item number 6 on behalf of A Prakash for the petitioner, counsel for the petitioner. Here, we need to fight rejoinder affidavit, so some time may be granted.
Item 6 on the prayer made by the council commissioners that they put 3 weeks,
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Evening will to fight your directive. We have made it. Please again after 4 weeks of a thing.
Deeply open.
Item number 1.
What's your fun? You people.
How? Begin here. Okay, can be. They can get. We'll have to face. You're not correct. Without permits. I've got an iPad, there's the way you can connect it, I have no problem.
My computer today morning I saw, but here I do not know how to work.
No, yes. But my instruction says the last three persons, candidates who were shown, where the security guard was shouting at them that jaldi aao, gate band kar. Showing his watch. My candidates, my clients were already inside the examination compound. Then there was a rush, Manoj. According to my instruction. Now, tell me one thing. What exam you appeared? Paper one in the morning. Of what exam? A civil. Arunachal Engineering Service exam. Service exam. Correct. You appeared for one paper. First paper I appeared. There was everything was in okay. Second time, Manoj, it was 12 to 12:45. That's all that we understand. You were not allowed to enter for the appear for the second exam. Correct. Now, is there a possibility that you can be allowed to appear for the other exams in spite of having not appeared for the second paper? That's why I'm not my. How many papers are there? Two papers. Another. Mr. Raman, in prelims, Milot, there are two papers. There were two papers. And the mains, I don't. First half they appeared. Second half they went out of the hall, and this had happened. Right. So four candidates, all in the for this examination has only two papers. Yes, preliminary exam. Preliminary, and then all total four candidates were debarred. Four candidates in that very center. So we had 4-5 centers. So ladies was one, and in that only four candidates were debarred. So two of them are here, and then another two are here. No. So ethnic card also is. No. What is your prayer? No. Respectfully, I have made a prayer that we are ready to appear on second also. If we are on second also, because the main examination is scheduled on 6 and 7 September. And we have made a categorical statement also because of the administrative failure. We should not be deprived of our right for equal opportunity of employment. So therefore, we have made a categorical statement, bring before this honorable court, even we are ready to take our second paper, which we will depart on 2nd of September. And ultimately, is there exams scheduled on 2nd September? Yes, no, not 2nd September. It's 6 or 7. That is for final. That is, yes, that for mains. This was prelims, and prelims also university. It's like this 2,000 something candidates has already been selected. Now that is selected on the basis of merit. Now the question will be whether, even if they are allowed, whether they will be into that merit list or not. Now for them, if we allow them, then some others who are ahead of them but could not get into that ratio, then they will be they will suffer. That's practical difficulties are here. So if need be, lordship will file the affidavit.
For you to qualify to appear in the page, pilot, you will have to again appear for
Only one paper.
the
Second
second
paper of
paper,
the release.
for which there has to be a separate examination.
Correct.
Especially for you or the other candidate.
No, only, Milord, it will be applicable to those candidates who have approached before this court, and honorable court can make this observation always.
There may be other candidates who are not appearing before the court, waiting for orders to be passed. These are selection exams. So had it been a case that you are allowed to appear for the finals, but depending on the outcome of the writ petition, your further consideration will come.
My lord can allow us to appear the means,
But then
subject to the outcome of the result of the second paper of the prelims.
yes, Mr. Raman.
That would be the, it will not cause any prejudice to anything. That will derail the whole exam process. Now,
Because unless you clear the prelims, you are not qualified for.
lordship, my
You
submission,
are not qualified for. You don't clear the prelims unless you appear for both the papers.
therefore, my lord, it is tentative only. In the according, it is in the, it is in admit card, my lord. It is written that tentatively the means will be held on 6 and 7.
Now, see, there is one thing we need to understand. You have shown from the video that 12:45 is the last entry into the compound,
Yes.
right? Getting close.
Yes.
Now, is it possible that candidates will keep loitering in the area without? going
That's
to
why,
examine
that's why some
forms?
relaxations were given.
Ah.
Those who were there, they were, center superintendent is asking that, showing the watch, that is 12:45, we are going to close the gate.
Correct.
And you better go inside.
Correct.
That's why these three people, who were the last person to enter the gate, they were says inside.
These three people are the
They-
petitioner.
they
is
don't-
not among the three people.
No, no.
All right. So these three people in the video, they are the last persons who entered into
Yes,
the complex,
yes, yes,
right?
yes.
No other person.
No,
Now, so which means that the petitioner was already inside.
no, already. No. The biometric will show. Then, in fact, there was a thing, verbally it was told,
You are saying that these people had scaled the wall.
yes. That's what I am told verbally.
Then you have to bring it on record.
That,
Right.
till then, the main exam may be suspended.
If required, we can issue directions to have special exams for you. Once we find that yes, what you say is correct. If the allegation against you is that after closure of the gate, you have scaled the wall. That's the allegation they have.
Milord, I have my separate footage, which says that my clients were already inside the
That's what we want to.
compound.
That's what we
Milord,
asked him.
Milord, already inside the compound, there was a rush, and then the authorities, they enter into an argument in order to stop us, preventing us from entering the examination, and deliberately our biometrics was
Get your affidavit.
Lordship, we have the records of those police personnel on duty in right in detail.
But how is it that you don't have CCTV footage in such an important exam?
Lordship,
You get it on affidavit to say that there is no CCTV coverage in the campus.
Lordship, it's not possible because
What is not possible?
because that is not only in one center.
What else? This particular sector. You are holding civil service exam. And you are saying that the center where you are holding, there is no CCTV footage to find out. You have said these people have scaled over the wall. Have you lodged any FIRs or complaints?
Lordship, the police reports, police on duty, their report is with us.
How would you prove it?
It's
Unless there is some evidence to show.
Lordship, this is subdivisional SDPO.
So you file your affidavits and we want a categorical statement from you that whether the center has got proper CCTV coverage or not. And was it functioning? So if yes, we'll produce the transcripts of the CCTV. On 4. So see, we can't order you to go and sit in the final exam without clearing.
No, I'm not on that line. No. Yes, I'm requesting this court that this matter will be listed on 4. In the meantime, the APSC will file the affidavit. My lord, with greatest honesty, my
We
lord.
can file.
My lord, with greatest honesty, my lord. As an officer of this court, I am making this statement. I belong from this state. I know how the documents are interpolated and manipulated. In order to prevent that, my lord, let justice deliberate. That's an allegation to this side. No, I'm not making any allegation. That cannot be accepted. I'm very categorical. That cannot be accepted.
Now, see, the question is that
Rama Fasai, the video was
it's a question, your statement against it. Right? So only thing that can clarify are the proper reports. So get your affidavit. You file it on 4th, by 4th. We take it up again on 4th. By 4th, proceed.
now
We can attempt. They can attempt.
the word attempt may be used. Lordship. Otherwise, it depends. Sometimes Lordship, now secretary is also under transfer.
No. Mr. One, these kind of excuses are not to be accepted. Secretary on transfer doesn't mean the entire office will come to us.
Correct.
There has to be somebody in charge.
Extremely, there is shortage of officers.
No.
Only 2 officers here. That's why.
You produce all your records, we'll examine it. You produce it, but these records will must be whether what you say, at least you are making this statement on the basis of some evidence.
Yes, we have the records. Those statements were given by the police also we are having. That's why.
So better bring it on record because you may like to rebut.
Yes, correct.
Well, I heard Bernard Trump for participation. As in deference to the earlier order passed by court. Done it. Standing counsel. Yes, standing counsel. That it's examination. It's the campus of the examination center were closed at 12:45. And further supports that from the photographs available in biometrics, it's clear that petitioner, there is no person behind. But it is clear that the petitioner is not in it. Stop. In response to a point very, very court as to whether the examination center has CCTV coverage, whether it's completely available. Mr. Aman, some step. Like, specified needs. Schedule we had on tentatively on 6th and 7th. 6th and 7th.
The admit card has already been dispersed.
And as submitted by the government's investment council. If it is good and that the government dispatch should matter. By
Item 3. Item
the same thing.
No, but on item 2, I just received an instruction over WhatsApp. Client don't want to press the man.
Item 2 on the instruction submitted by the council to the petitioner. The petition stands dismissed, does not press. In order to take stand.
Item number 4.
Passed by State Information Commissioner dated 31st July 2025. By this order, State Information Commissioner, I am PIO, Public Information Officer.
There is some proceeding initiated against.
Proceeding not initiated yet, but there is a direction. So, Your Honor, I have my argument is on two legs. This order, first leg, violation of principle of natural justice. My application was not considered. It is still pending. Second is, Your Honor, this order is vague order, meaning thereby, Your Honor, this is error of apparent on the face of record. Your Honor, this direction for initiation of disciplinary proceeding cannot be on the post. It must be on the incumbent. Your Honor, at the time when I joined this took charge as a PIO, the application was filed long back before my taking my charge as a PIO. So I was not aware of the proceeding pending in the commission until.
So why don't you appear before the commission, file an application for recalling this out direction?
Yes, Your Honor, I have filed already. It is already pending. I filed application on 3rd June.
Okay.
Immediately after getting the available PWA. So, which is pending and it has not been considered. And in that application, I have specifically stated that the information is ready. Since
You had filed it in this appeal case. You have filed.
yes, in appeal matter.
So this appeal matter is fixed on 4th of November.
Yes, 4th of November. So otherwise, on 24th,
Press the matter.
yes, still then, Your Honor, this operation.
Mr. Fakia and Mr. Nabab. Right. Third, motion for party commissioner is made by the order dated. What is the date of the order?
31 July 2025.
31 July 2025. Whereby state
Zero 0601. I joined earlier, but then I took charge. I was
I took charge on
only on 0601 2025.
0601 2025. And therefore, we was not aware of the earlier orders passed by the commission. So we submitted that we have filed an application to recall the modification of this direction for the commission and which is pending as the appeal.
That application which I have filed for the commission, it was for recalling of bailable warrant, which was issued on 29/04/2025. This was also not communicated to us.
You come to page number 48. Yes. 48. Page number 12. You are agreed by this.
Yes, yes,
Your run before the court is this.
yes.
Have you filed any application for seeking recalling or modification of this part before the commission?
No, no, because Your Honor, this order came recently. I came to came to my knowledge.
When did you come to notice? When did it come to your notice? You filed the application.
Yes,
Why don't you file the application? Seeking recall.
Your Honor, this order came to my knowledge only on the last Friday. So, as such, I could not have the time.
You have come before the court in such a short time. What do you mean you don't have time to file an application? So file this application before the tribunal, before the commission for recalling modification of that order.
Yes, yes. I'll do the necessary. I'll again I'll file again one more application for recalling of the same order also.
When do you want to file it?
Immediately after.
You file it and inform the court by next Wednesday. By Wednesday, can you file it?
Sure, sure.
Or Thursday?
But you know, the difficulty will be that they will not take up the matter because
Forget them taking up or not taking up. You complete your part by filing that application.
yes, sure, sure.
When can you file it?
Within 2 days.
Within 2 days. All right. So we post this matter on
Monday.
Monday. It's not for holiday. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Sure. Wait, what is
Wednesday. All right. Is this matter on
Third.
on third? Third. Allowing the petitioner to complete his instructions.
you know my three
You file it first. If possible, you file it today. We'll have it on Tuesday. Have you?
I file it today.
Then Tuesday. It's not Tuesday.
Apply.
Item number 5.
Ours are here and our is number. Yes.
My consideration for professor to the court based on a matter, instruction matter, which was matter never incorporated in the Goodman rules matter. But
We will get some notice today.
yes,
Yes. Third is declared down for the fund. That is playing for promotion. Post of
senior analyst,
junior analyst. In which department?
they are to investigate the paper.
In the Department of Administrative Reform, Government of Arunachal Pradesh was not was overlooked and persons below if the seniority is were promoted.
No, no, no. And my case was rejected from the basis of an second. So they were
His case for promotion was rejected on the basis of administrative instruction which
executive instruction matter.
are not incorporated in the rules. Therefore, submits that rejection of his claim for promotion to the next higher post based on the administrative instructions, which are contrary to the provision of the rules. It's bad in law and therefore 6. For the state. The state that should return the report, Mr. NS R. Authority of Board.
1 to 4, all the responsible.
Which the public furnished to the 1 3 weeks. Matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Item number 7.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, kindly matter maybe pass over for time being, lordship. Mr. S. Chite, he is on legs in a principal bench, lordship.
Let
After
it be
some time,
next week.
lordship.
Let it
After-
be next week.
Lordship,
Next
after some time, lordship.
All right, after some time. Yes.
Lordship.
Item number 8 to 10.
Lord, in this case, I appeared for the petitioner. Lord. In one of the case, the union has filed the affidavit. We'd like to file the reply.
My lord, this item number
There is
8
no lottery in Arunachal.
Arunachal.
There is
No, it is a GST matter. There's no lottery in here. It is in Punjab.
no lottery. Yes.
So,
Oh, sorry.
sorry, my lord, other side they have filed the affidavit. My lord, so Mr. Goro wants to file the affidavit. My lord, will request some more time, my lord.
My lord, actually, we'll file reply to the affidavit filed by the union, my lord, for which we are praying for some time. And we have agreed to, my lord, 27th of October. 27th. Yes.
Mr. K. Chaudhary, Government Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. N. Gopal, Mr. Rajendra, R. M. Meka. Commissioner in all,
Yes.
Mr. R. H. Nabam, GS4,
State.
Status.
Actually, my
Sir, as per number 4, my lord.
item WP, I think 361. 316. Yes.
We are for respondent 7.
Yes.
7. Respondent 7 and 4 and
4 and 7.
and Mr. Diab, GS4, 1 to 6. 1 to 6. They are named, their heritage parties by name.
My lord, in fact, respondents number 2, 5 and 7, they are by name 6. So on their behalf, affidavit has not been filed. And that aspect, lordship will take a call on the next.
And Mr. Kato also. All right. The council subs that has 5 years. State council on the other end, some said they were by the council.
27th in
7th of
October. My lord, interim order will have to be, there are interim order open in all the 3 cases.
past. We'll continue till the next. Until further order.
Until further.
Until further orders.
My lord, item number 12, that's again a contempt petition. I think the service report is awaited on respondents 1 to all the respondents. So this service report may be awaited in item number 12.
Item 12. What is
No, my lord, the case is very simple. We are the authorized, what do you call it?
distributor?
Distributor of the state of Arunachal Pradesh, but we are selling the tickets in the state of Maharashtra and Punjab. And as per the provisions of the GST Act, CGST Act, it's a consumption based, destination based consumption tax. Therefore, it is payable in the state where it is consumed. So therefore, we are paying the required tax in the state of Maharashtra and Punjab. We need not pay tax here. Now, they are of the view that we have not paid an amount of rupees 98 crore. But that the calculation is also wrong, but the figure works out to 48 crore, which we have paid. And as a whole, we have paid 33,000 and odd crores GST from the lottery business. And this is an issue, so logic like to point.
Here the issue is that they have not registered in the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes.
Our contention is that required to be registered here.
So they're distributors of Arunachal.
Yes.
But you said there is no lottery here.
No lottery. No, my lord. If we would have sold the tickets here, then there was a requirement of registration. That's why we have challenged the Milord provisional registration and provisional show cause notice. And Milord, this order for yes,
They are not a dealer within the
state.
state.
Our contention is that the lottery goods tickets dependent on the GST, so they are required to be registered here. Whatever they paid tax, that can be appropriate by they have issued so called lottery.
Provided they are dealers.
Yes, but in our contention it is.
And Milord, section 7 and 10 of the IGST Act is absolutely clear. On reverse charge, we are required to pay in the consuming state. And these aspects were gone into while passing the interim order. Yes, I'm deeply aware.
Regarding this item 12,
Lord, the service report is awaited.
service report of respondent one who has delivered as per office note, dated page 08/2025. Case again.
This can also come again on the same date, 27th date.
As Mr. James Chaudhary appears in the matter, he submits that the matter will be listed on 27th of case report.
Item number 11.
Passed by the London single
Has been complied with. Has been complied with.
set aside by the honorable judgment.
Or set aside. Do you have a copy of that order?
I'm sorry, Madam,
What
Your
is
Lordship, the SIP has passed the order, man.
What about, what do you say?
Then the ticket is order that it will take that but
12/8/25. Past date?
zero. Of the fixture.
You have a copy of that order? Council of the bar submits that the quantum petition can be closed. Judgment dated 29/10. Passed in WPC number 77. Eight.
Item number 13 to 16.
Please, Your Lordship. Item number 13 is IA for Lordship for alteration and modification or vacating the interim order dated 27/6/25 passed in WPC 284. Lordship, this matter is similar to the other item which was moved by Saikia into Saikia the other day, Learned Council. So notice was issued and matter was fixed on 3rd of September.
So you want us to issue notice?
Yes.
Make it returnable on third.
Lordship, the other matters which are fixed, which
So we keep it on third.
Lordship,
So if we issue notice, then it is sufficient to make it returnable, proper to make it returnable. on
Lordship, even though the facts are a bit different, but the issue is exactly similar, Lordship, and it is only a question.
My Lord, Lordship may, instead of issuing notice, let this matter also come up on third, my Lord, along with that. That would be better. Because they are also, they are seeking for alternative modification of the order. And here is also they are seeking.
Serve in extra copies. There is no paid instruction. We hear the matter. on-
Lordship, the interim or the stay, prayer for stay is basically against the petitioner here. Mainly against the petitioner.
Where is the order that you're seeking modification?
Lordship. Page 85, Lordship. There were two writ petitions filed by us, Lordship. One is, Lordship, that there was a subcommittee report in our favor which was not acted upon. That was WPC 14, which is listed at item number 13. Item number, sorry. Which is item number 14. Thereafter, Lordship, without considering that, seniority list was prepared. There also we have challenged, which is at item number 16. Thereafter, the government has, on our representation, constituted a committee, not subcommittee, here as a committee for considering our representations, and by which the seniority list itself could be,
This order.
yes,
Seeking modification
yes,
was passed ex parte.
yes, Lordship.
You were not heard.
No. I am the respondent number 6 to 8 in this case, but this was passed at a time of,
But then we should notice, third, you are saying on third, there are some
yes,
matters.
on Lordship, on the similar, making the similar prayer, another IA was filed, which is fixed on third.
Third.
Yes.
So why don't we?
This is Lordship item in IA number 207 of 2025.
There are things we can do. We can fix this matter on third to be taken up together with the other matters which are fixed.
Yes.
Or issue notice and this matter will be taken up independently. In the meantime, on third, if some orders are passed.
Yes.
Orders,
Yes.
then we cover this performance. Tell us what you want.
Lordship, since the matter is relating to exactly the same thing, Lordship, this is IA 207, then notice may be issued and returnable on the same date, Lordship.
The third is.
Yes.
They not be able to complete the instruction.
Lordship, basically, even if the facts are a bit different, but otherwise, Lordship,
Third council for MS
and Duncan,
and Daniel and Mr. RH Nawam India's 4.
Well, the respond number 125. No. Which item this one is? Because it's 13.
IA.
IA is 13.
You are appearing, who's appearing for hydropower? Appearing for Mr. Respondents. IA. Duration.
Twenty-six, 725.
Page
Page number 85.
27/6/2025.
Yes.
27/6.
27, 6, 25. Along with IA 207 of 25. This is already listed together, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes.
No, what matter? Which is the matter which is fixed?
Today it is IA 207. Thereafter, Lordship will see with IA 217 is my IA, 207 is the later part, Lordship. Lordship may see the costs.
207 is listed.
Today also it is listed along with this.
Along with IA 07 and WPC 284 of 25.
Lordship.
Listed according. This IA 217 also be listed along with WPC 84. You're filing it in the same. These are IAs filed by two different persons.
Yes, but
Yes, Lordship. On the same issue.
same
Same.
but two item.
Then Lordship,
Then you say that this matter IA along with IA 207 2025 and WPC 284 of 2025. On third.
and then Lordship item 16. In item 16, there is by the same applicants, but a different IA. In this, it is of course connected. In this, I have
16, 218.
yes, 218.
I 16, yes.
In this, the writ petition in which I'm filing this, in that I am the writ petitioner, 295 of 2024. I had challenged, by the writ petition, I had challenged the seniority list. Then in the meantime, as the Lordship has already heard, that committee has been formed, which can have the effect of,
Yes.
which can have the effect of upturning the seniority list itself. So, but in the meantime, they are saying that DPC is going to sit. So therefore, we are praying that this may be halted. If the committee report is made public, if the government decides to act upon it, then the seniority list itself, through which the DPC might take into account, that may be affected. So that is why I'm praying for staying of the DPC itself.
But you should notice here in I-218,
No, that Lordship, I have already annexed the orders. The order which is referring to is at page 30 of my petition. Lordship, the situation now is different because at that time, the government was sitting upon the report of the subcommittee. But now, government has constituted a committee to relook into the issue, Lordship. So therefore, the situation is not the same as it was at that time, Lordship. We don't know what the committee report will say now. Without seeing that, this submission cannot be made.
filing on a spot.
Yes, Lordship. By that time, the DPC will sit, Lordship. I'm told the DPC is going to sit on the 3rd of September. Even if it is deferred, it cannot be deferred by more than 1 week.
Let it come on third, we'll take a call on that. Get your instructions. Get your instruction, we'll take it up on third again. Third council to pass.
Pass over matter item number 7.
May I please your lordship,
Yes, tell us.
lordship, in this matter, lordship, as per the order dated 7/4/2025, lordship, the court directs us to take instructions whether the petitioner filed their reply or not. Lordship, which is they annex in their page number 104 to 108 of the writ petition, Lordship. That we have the instructions, Lordship, and we received a report from the department, which is hand over to your Lordship by my colleague is there, Lordship. As per this report, Lordship,
Yes.
in page number 12, Lordship, on bottom, Lordship,
Yes.
page number 12, bottom, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, they filed their reply on 29/3/2022, which is reflected here.
No, but their claim is that they're exempted under 1026.
10/26,
So
but
why, then why are you charging, why are you issuing demand? Are they not covered under 1026, exempted under 1026?
Lordship, at this stage, my instruction is, Lordship, that the matter may be remanded back to the department for fresh consideration, because they filed their reply in that time, but in the order, it is not reflected.
Why is the question of filing a reply? They're not, they're done, if they're exempted, they're not even required to file the returns. Where is your counsel? Standing counsel?
Lordship, he is on legs, Lordship.
All right, we'll keep it next week then.
Next Thursday, my lord, Lordship permits.
Thursday, all right.
Lordship.
Third counsel for the parties. The standing counsel has placed, the counsel representing the standing counsel income tax has placed a report before the court. However, submitted that the standing counsel is not available to this court at this moment. The request is made. Third, fourth of September.
But there's an interim
Order passed early with the
much of it.
list of.
All right, Lordship.
Yes, unlisted. We told you, we put you to notice before we write. Right. Hospitals being bad.
Unlisted item number 17.
I must apologize for bothering a lordship like this, but matter not there. Like this challenging an order of blood which has been passed in favor of respondent number 4 under a section 9 petition. In a nutshell, if I tell you, Lordship, I am the contractor. I got a national highway project through the President of India for constructing a road in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. So the contract was given to me on 9th July. Under the contract, I was entitled to subcontract a different entity. Now, if you Lordship may straight away have page 47 with this is the contract which has been executed but in my favor. The Lordship may see what the parties, this 9th October 2020. Lordship has at the bottom of the page, it's executed by President of India through the Ministry of Road and Transport and Highways. And your Lordship may just turn over the page at page 48. Well, it's in the favor of, please mark that name is important. Joint Stock Company Industrial Association was a name. But this is a company which is incorporated in Russia, having an office in India. But this is a company incorporated in Russia. I don't want to bother Lordship through the details of this contract, but it was for approximately construction of about 40-kilometer road in Arunachal Pradesh. pursuant to the liberty which is granted to me, if your lordship wants to see, I can show that page 240 is the clause which permits me to subcontract. Paragraph 4.2. The contractor, whether joint venture or sole, shall not subcontract any works in more than 49% of the contract and shall carry out works directly under its own supervision through its own personal equipment at least 51%. So 49% I could subcontract. Number 25th September 2020, which your lordship will find at page 498. The relevant is at 499. This Russian company subcontracts the 49% of the work in favor of a proprietorship concern named Tenor Engineering. That's relevant. The Tenor Engineering before lordship is respondent number 5. Yes. Number, please have 504. Certain clauses I want to show to lordship. Wait, this contract. Clause 2.1. 1 minute. I'm so sorry. 1 minute. Somebody is on caveat. Somebody's filed a caveat.
Sorry. I've been waiting for one.
Someone has filed a caveat. Sir, for this time not there about caveat. Filed a caveat. So,
And some. Can I request your lordships to have it next week? I will serve the caveat and come back to lordships. Of course, but I understand once somebody has filed the caveat, I'll have some.
you have to discharge the caveat.
Yes, yes, I understand.
Somehow they must have, I don't know when they was filed, so it was filed on 11.
Can I then take it up next Friday? Serve them and come back to lordships. Friday. What was it? Whatever suits your lordship.
Yeah, we can have it on Thursday.
Thursday. Whatever dates the lordships can. See the caveat 65 by I think the respondent 5 Tachong, who's Tachong? The 4th Tachong Kana. By respondent number 4 is up this. For the appellants. Caveat. And then the MS appeals for state.
One.
Have you sub copies to the
I think Melvin has copies.
Mr. Patil, you are hearing from Madam? Right. You are Mr.
Ankit Jain.
All right.
This again on. Again, but I deeply apologize for putting the lordships like this. Because the vote was open. I know, that's the reason. So, pleasure.